Ever wondered how to sell on Amazon and make a profit? Well, you're in luck. We're about to dive into a riveting review of how to sell on Amazon for beginners. Everything you need to sell on Amazon FBA. This comprehensive guide is brimming with step-by-step instructions and expert advice. It covers the A to Z of selling on Amazon, from setting up a seller account right through to scaling and automating your business. Stay tuned if you want to learn how to turn your Amazon account into a profitable business. So, you're ready to start selling on Amazon, but where do you start? Well, the first thing you'll need to do is set up an Amazon seller account. It's a straightforward process, but there are a few things you'll need to have ready. Firstly, you'll need to decide on a business name. This is how you'll be known on Amazon, so make it something that represents what you sell. Next, you'll need to choose a legal structure for your business. This could be anything from a sole proprietorship to a limited liability company. You'll also need to provide some basic information, like your contact details and tax information. Amazon uses this to verify your identity and ensure you're a legitimate business. Don't forget to set up your payment information as well. This is how you'll receive the money from your sales. Once your account is set up, you're ready to source products. Let's dive into how to do that. Finding the perfect products to sell is the next step in your Amazon FBA journey. Now, this might seem daunting, but it's all about knowing where to look and what to look for. The book suggests starting with what you know and love, as passion often translates into sales. It also recommends sourcing products from local suppliers or manufacturers, as this can help reduce costs and ensure a steady supply. Once you've sourced your products, it's time to create effective listings. Remember, your listing is your storefront, so make it as appealing as possible. The book advises using high-quality images, crafting compelling descriptions, and including relevant keywords to help your products stand out in Amazon's vast marketplace. But it's not enough to just list your products, you also need to market them. The book provides some great tips on this, such as leveraging Amazon's advertising tools, optimizing your product titles for search, and engaging with customer reviews to build trust and rapport. Perhaps one of the most important tips is to always keep your customers in mind. Think about what they want, what they need, and how you can provide it. This customer-centric approach is the key to maximizing sales and profits on Amazon. In conclusion, sourcing, listing, and marketing products on Amazon requires a strategic approach and a deep understanding of your target market. But with the right tools and strategies, it's a process that can lead to great success. With your products sourced and listed, it's time to focus on scaling your business. Growing your business is the key to increasing your profits. A central theme of how to sell online for profit is the art of scaling and automating your Amazon FBA business. The book offers a treasure trove of strategies to help you grow your business in a sustainable, profitable way. One of the powerful strategies highlighted is the use of virtual assistants. These remote workers can manage tasks such as customer service, inventory management, and even product research, freeing up your time to focus on bigger picture strategies. Another key area covered is the use of software tools. From inventory management to sales tracking, the right tools can streamline your operations and reduce manual labor. The book provides recommendations for tried and tested software that can automate various aspects of your business. Now that you know how to scale, let's look at how to optimize your listings for better visibility. Visibility is the key to increasing your sales on Amazon. Now let's delve into how you can optimize your product listings for better visibility and higher conversion rates. The book provides a goldmine of tips for this crucial step. Firstly, keyword optimization. This is all about understanding and using the right keywords that your potential customers are typing into the Amazon search bar. Your product listings should include these specific keywords to ensure that they appear in the relevant search results. Secondly, the importance of high-quality photos cannot be overstated. A picture is worth 1,000 words, after all. High-resolution images that accurately depict your product can significantly enhance its appeal, enticing more customers to click on your listing. Lastly, remember to highlight your product's unique selling points in the description. Make it engaging and informative to help your customers make an informed decision. With these tips, you're well on your way to becoming a successful Amazon FBA seller. Remember, the road to success is always under construction. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.